full Yamaha rebuild. From this to this. Today we're gonna change new wires. The main reason why I'm changing wires, because of starter. And that sadly is not working. Zip! If you wanna see how I change full wires, full video in my channel. Let's go back to video. And how starter is related with wires in a simple way is this one. I'm not sure what this was before, but I'm sure this affecting the starter. And the moment of truth, starter is working or not. Looks like we have flat battery. Oh yes. Hello, today is a day. Today is that day when I'm gonna change ignition lock. Stick around. This is broken old ignition lock. Proper damage. We're gonna start by removing old rivets, one after another, 1 second, and very soon you'll be ready. In this position we need to make sure nobody else could remove the bolts, so we're gonna destroy them. And it's that time to put back on. Little wobbly, and we're almost in place. Time to check how it works. Steering lock. Let's lock them down. And it works quite good. Looks and works perfect. Let's see ignition works. I'm gonna change the fuel tank lock. All standard things. Let's check them out. Put the key. Works perfect. Time to change plastics. There we have back tail plastic new. And there we have tank cover new. Thread lock from high vibrations. You slide like this and you have a little nice joint. Look at this front nose. It looks very shiny actually. Cool, yeah? Like a brand new. Actually it's brand new. There we have lights. Let's put lights in place. Screw them down and we're ready to go all front. There you go, it looks quite cool. Now let's swap front guard, the new one. There you go, old gone and new is coming in place. Looks super shiny. Look at this, great. Nose, front guard, tank, back tail, almost all finished. Let's put those air ventilations inside. Bam, and let's move to the front side plastic. Look at this, almost done. Nearly coming guys, coming. If you can put in the comments like what you don't like about this video. Shiny project done.
Came up